Assalamualaikum beautiful viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host Mohamed Sane. In this channel I will be posting weekly live analysis, or I will be posting my trading pairs, my trading analysis focus every week, inshallah. So this is Aussie dollar for most of the traders watching this video. For those who don't know, this is the Australian dollar and the United States dollar, or the US dollar, you can call it. Don't mind about my English, okay? So my view on the Aussie dollar is that we are bullish on the Aussie dollar. So the trend is up on the daily. This is on the daily time frame. You can see that the trend is bullish. It's moving towards the upside. When it is up, we used to call it bullish. The trend is bullish. So after highlighting the daily perspective, I'm going to drop to the 4-hour higher time frame narrative. So there is where I'm going to stop here out the narrative. So let's get there after knowing the perspective already, or after getting the perspective. Okay, this is the 4-hour. So you can see on the 4-hour, what we are interested of is the most recent higher high and higher low. That's the most important thing we are going to focus. Because of the price action, it might be confusing. So the best thing we are going to do, we are going to highlight the 4-hour CTR. So let's do that by using this horizontal line. This is the recent higher low, and this is the recent higher high from this high over here. So the daily is bullish. So the daily is the perspective we are going to follow up. So the daily perspective is bullish. So the 4-hour, we are going to look for the 4-hour narrative. So the 4-hour narrative is that we have a higher low, and then we are anticipating the price is going to give us a new higher high. So we have a higher low. This is our higher low. This amount of price movement towards this low is our higher low. Now we are anticipating that price is going to break a new high to give us a higher high, to break this high and give us a new higher high. But that's the normal view on this Aussie dollar pair. Okay, that's the normal view. But if we study the chart in a little more detail, we will know that that expectation is likely going to fail, because when we use this fib retracement tool, if we use the fib retracement tool and highlight the psychological level where price should likely, or highlight the last strong support level where we are expecting price to turn off from, has been already broken with a strong candle or strong candle formation. So this candle, okay, we are talking about this. This is the strong, this is the recent strong, this is the strong support zone, the last strong support zone that we are expecting price to turn off from here, from this zone here. We are anticipating the price is going to turn off from here and then break this high, but price didn't, because this is the most recent and the last strong support zone. But price broke it with a strong confirmation with a bearish closing Maraboso, which shows that now the uptrend is likely weakening and sellers are stepping in with higher pressure. So meaning that the trend is likely going to be broken. So this is the information that we get through our detailed analysis or detailed breakdown on this 4-hour chart. the trend is bullish, but we have a sign that the trend is likely going to reverse down. So buyers stop loss has been taken out 2 times in a row. We have one from this psychological level, and then the second one is from this other psychological level. This area here, that's where the late buyers step in to buy this market. But if you notice that buyers didn't work out, so let's use the idea, let's highlight the idea harder. There are some traders who enter their position here and they are targeting price to break this high, and their stop loss may be where it is right now, or some could bring it below this level here. So you can see, so their stop loss has been taken out. Their stop loss has been taken out. So my view on this pair, finally, before, I don't want this to make this video a very long video, I just want to make it a short video so that you can understand that this is my view on this price chart, but anything can happen. Okay, my view is that we are going to break this swing low. Price is likely turning down because the trend is already been weakening. So my view is that we're gonna have something like this, and then we are going to monitor it, inshallah, which is going to play out in the next in this upcoming week rather. So you can see we have a lower high, so we are anticipating that we are going to have a new lower low. So this is the bias, guys, this is the bias, this is my bias on this price chart. Yeah, so if you are late, this is my bias, but for some of the people who would like to trade this price action even right where it is, I will not trade this pair, because if I intend to trade this pair, I would have my entry around this level here or this second level here, but now it's late for me to enter. But if you still want to enter, you can enter from this level and place your stop loss above the high here or above this level, and then you target 1:1 or 1:2, something like that. You have this, you can go all the way 1:2 or 1:3. So this is my view on AUD. Okay, take care, much love to you guys, and every week I will make sure and try my best to focus a pair that I will be sharing with you.